Welcome to my video. Today I'm going to do project number 5, the lamp and fan in series. And this is from the Snap Circus Junior experiment kit. So let's do number 5 today. And the objective here is to show how a lamp can indicate when a fan is running. This is actually a fairly practical circuit because it is a indicator light and they have on a lot of different things. Okay, I've got all the components laid out here. I'm going to put it together just per the book instructions, and we'll see what happens. Okay, first we place the battery on it, and then we want to go ahead and put the switch up here, goes next to it, and then the lamp indicator is going to go right up here. Now, I'm going to go one up more. We're going to do this. There's our switch. Now we want to put our motor right here. And then do the final connectors. We've got to use a number 2 there, a 2 there, and then we'll make sure it's in the off position first of all. And number 2 there, and then finally this should complete our circuit. Okay, so now what we want to do is we put the little fan there so we can see that it's actually turning, the motor spinning. Now we turn the on switch on, it should complete the circuit and the fan should turn. And yes, it does, and there's the light. So the light is our indicator that tells us when the fan is turning. And you'll see these in a lot of common circuits as an indicator light that tells you that something is on. So either to caution you or so you know that it's working. So very simple circuit, but a very practical circuit. Got a battery, a switch, an indicator light, and then a fan of some sort or some kind of electronic device. So I want to thank you for watching. Hope you got a little bit out of this video and learned about this project number 5. And continue to watching my videos. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.